Okay guys, so it's been a while since I posted. There's good reason for that. I tried ordering parts for that Polaris from dealerships and from online, but the little shift shaft and shift fork, they don't make anymore. They discontinued them. So it's been an issue finding that. So I've been looking on eBay for used parts. So hopefully gonna buy some used shift fork and shift shaft for that and get that transmission up and going. And then I ordered the throttle cable for that, but I don't know why it hasn't come in yet. I ordered it from the dealership, so it should be coming in pretty soon, hopefully. So those are on back order. Then haven't been working on the Mustang because it has been way too cold out to work on it out there. And as you can see, those suckers are occupying the garage over there. And this is Mom's side. But we got Molly. Molly, you want to say hi to them? She's been chilling out here with us. But in this video, we're going to be working on Axel's Honda. We're installing 2 subwoofers in the trunk, and we got the Rockville, what is it, Rockville?
Yep, Rockville.
Amplifier, and then the 2 subwoofers in the back. I'll show you them here. I don't know what I did with the box. Okay, and here are the 2 subs. They're both 8-inch ones, and they came in this nice little box. It was a whole little kit, so it should add a decent amount of bass to his little Honda Civic. Right now, Axel's trying to take out the radio.
Oh yeah, it's being a...
But, yeah, it's being a butt. But, we're gonna go remove this radio. But, yeah, let's get right into this video, guys. Looks like somebody doesn't want to help us anymore. Bye-bye, Molly. I'm gonna go help Axel. Because we gotta get this radio out. The nice thing about his car is, we know for sure that it has RCA wire hookups on it, because it's an aftermarket radio, or at least we hope this aftermarket radio will have RCA wire hookups in the back, because like my truck, it didn't have any plugins for RCA wires, so I had to fuse into my factory wiring harness speaker wires. So this one should be a lot easier.
Hopefully.
Yep.
If it wants to come out.
Right now, we don't really know how it was secured in there because it was aftermarket, but we're gonna take a little peek. I haven't looked at it yet, but yeah. Cut back to us getting this radio out. I promise you, it'll only take like, what, 3 seconds?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Here's a little update. So we just took out the radio.
Yup.
We definitely spent like at least 3 seconds on it. I swear to God, we stopped time.
Definitely not a half an hour trying to figure out what was holding it in.
Definitely
but
not.
Just a couple seconds. But yeah, it was very easy. Look at that. His radio does have the RCA wire hookup, so that's gonna make our life 10 times easier for installing these subs. So
we promise, hopefully we didn't break anything. I doubt it. Maybe
we don't. So far we're breaking stuff free. But now we're gonna pop the hood and hook up that amp fuse and then start running some wires back to the box and amplifier. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so far we've got all of our wires run, and I'm plugging in the radio real quick, but Axel, show them what we did back there.
Yep. So basically, we promised, it only took us like 30 minutes, but what we did is we connected the positive and negative wire onto the speakers. We connected the amplifier already. It took us a little bit, to be honest. We connected the ground cable actually to one of my bolts over here, connected to my, well, tail light. So that's interesting. Now, as Justin said, he's connecting the radio right now.
Yep.
After that, I should be ready to go. Just gotta connect the battery over there to the negative terminal.
And then we can get copyright claims.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Love that. And then just put a little bit of the interior back on and we're good.
Okay guys, time to see if it'll work. We got everything working. Okay. Connector all up. I'm gonna go back here and see if this is all lit up. Okay, the amplifier is lit up. Oh, hold up. Oh yeah, they're moving. Turn that bass knob up to max. We have our amplifier down so it shouldn't blow anything.
Max.
Okay, good. They're moving back here.
Moving?
Yeah. Is your volume all the way up? They work though.
Oh, yeah.
They're wired up. Heck yeah.
Really good bass.
Here, I'll give you guys a little bit better lighting.
Alright.
Yep, I'm ready. Yeah. We got. So yeah, guys.
Oh yeah, that
The
works.
subs work. Do they sound nice?
Yeah, they sound nice.
Well, we're gonna start hiding all the wires and throwing this whole car back together.
Oh yeah.
And Axel got subs in the Honda Civic.
Gonna be moving in there.
Yeah, this is not gonna be the last time you see Axel's
definitely not.
Civic. So you guys should honestly comment what you want the next mod to be to his Honda Civic.
Oh, and
guys,
the thing.
oh yeah, wait, he already does have a hood scoop on it, but
Yeah.
we can get a bigger one.
Next
So,
thing
yeah.
coming up, actually, is the intake. So stay tuned. For
Oh
that.
yeah, he bought an intake for it. Check out these nice little fancy headers he got right here for him.
Oh yeah.
They look spiffy.
And this nice little.
Oh,
If you guys know what that is,
if you guys know what this is,
it's totally not illegal.
it's not illegal. Yep. That's what the Honda Civic sounds like with the subs. Okay guys, so I almost forgot to film an outro, but I just remembered I was about to go to bed, so I just ran out here and I'm filming this on my camera. Got mom's car pulled in, so she's happy. But yeah, if you guys like this video, leave a like down below to let us know we need more Honda Civic content, along with don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video. See you guys on the next one. Bye.
With